Okay, you ever disconnect the battery in a Honda CR-V? This is a 2015 Honda CR-V. And when you start the car, it will ask you for the security code. I can show you how to bypass that entirely so that way you don't need a code. See, you need a code. Alright, so I'll show you how to do this. With the engine off, you push and hold the start button and you start the car, but you continue holding the button for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you let go. Then you take your finger and then push the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So anti-theft system has less power. Push and hold the power button for more than 2 seconds to enable it. There you go. Now you have radio access again. Look at that. How cool is that, eh? Radio access.